In this video, I will show you step by step on how to install and set up OpenClaw in Windows. OpenClaw is a free and open source autonomous agent where you can configure it with your preferred large language model and control it using messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. Let's get started. Before we start installing OpenClaw, firstly, you need to have Node.js and npm installed. In Windows, open Command Prompt and type in node-v. If there is a version appeared, means you have it installed. If it shows command not found, go to the Node.js official website and install it. npm comes together with Node.js installation. Once it's done, we can now install OpenClaw from the official website. Remember, do not install from non-official website as it could lead to potential security risks. Now paste this command in PowerShell. Take note here that you should run in PowerShell and not command prompt. Upon executing this command, you can see it will firstly detect Windows and Node.js, then start the installation of OpenClaw. After installation done, it will proceed to onboarding process. The first information shown to you is security concern. Basically, it's saying that use at your own risk. Then just proceed with yes. Then select Quick Start for onboarding mode. Next comes to adding AI models. If you don't have any subscription on AI models, you won't get the API key. Without the API key, you can't connect the model here. So you can choose to skip for now. In my case, I will select Anthropic and select API key. Then paste the API key inside and it will configure for you. Again, do not leak your API key as it's used for usage and billing. After adding model, here comes the channel. Basically, channel is the messaging interface that you would like to connect with. If you are unsure now, you can select skip for now. Next comes to search provider. For beginner, can skip this for now. Next, configure skills. Can skip as well. And hooks can skip as well. Once you finish this step, it will open a new terminal called OpenClaw Gateway server and it's running. You have two options here, either opening Web UI or use TUI. Let's go with Web UI. So here it provides a localhost URL and you can open it. Once you see this OpenClaw page, means you have successfully installed and running OpenClaw bot in Windows. And that's it. If you managed to install by following this video, please give us a like, and if you face any error during installation, feel free to comment below. We are more than willing to help. See you in the next video.